Good morning, class. I hope and expect that you are taking good care of yourself. Today, we are going to study moral science, and the name of the chapter is A Child's Play. It's lesson number 1. We have already done the explanation of this chapter and the first two paragraphs of the poem in my previous video. Let's move on to the next part of the poem, and I will try to wind out the poem as we have only 3 paragraphs left for it. After this, we have to start with the chapter. As I have already told you that the starting of the story is having a poem. So we will be completing the poem in this video, and in the next video we would be starting with the chapter explanation. So further, without any delay, let's start with it. Let me read the paragraph for you, and let me do the explanation for you. God, make my life a little song that comfort the sad, that helps other to be strong and makes the singer glad. Now, in this part of the poem, the child is asking God. The child is just asking God, requesting God to make him a little song. Now, can you answer why the child wants to be a song? In the previous paragraph, the child wanted to be a flower, it wanted to be a light. Now, in this part of the paragraph, the child wants to be a song. Can you tell me why the child wants to be a song? The child wants to be a song because whenever we are in a bad or in a different mood, means we are not happy, we like to listen songs. Even if we are happy, we like to listen songs. So basically songs or any kind of music associates with your mood also. So the child is requesting God to make him a little song, a small song, so that whoever listens the song, whenever that person is upset, gets comfort. This means that whenever the person who is very upset hears the song, feels very nice and comfortable. In the next part of the line he says, that helps the other to be strong and makes the singer glad. So the moment the person who is upset hears the song, feels very strong, gets comfortable, and this makes the purpose of the singer fulfill. Mean the purpose of the singer, the child, is to make the people strong and comfortable whenever they hear the song. So when the person hears the song and become comfortable and strong, the purpose of the child's request is completed. Let's move to the next paragraph. God, make my life a little staff whereon the weak may rest, and so what health and strength I have may serve my neighbor best. Now in these lines, the child is requesting God that God, make my life a little staff. Now what do you understand by the word staff? Staff generally means the people who are employed for an organization. Okay, so here the child is requesting God, make me a staff of your organization, means I may work for you. So make my life a little staff, make my life a little staff whereon the weak may rest. I may be a little staff of your organization whose work is to provide comfort and happiness to the people who are weak and who are not strong enough. So here he says, I may be the staff, I may be the person of an organization where people come and they can comfort themselves. And so what health and strength I have, I may serve my neighbors best. So whatever strength I am having, being part of that organization or individually whatever strength I am having, I may serve them, I may help them out of their situation the best possible way. Now let me do the explanation of the last paragraph. Let me read it for you first. God, make my life a little hymn of tenderness and praise, of faith that never vexeth them in all his wondrous way. So in this paragraph or in this last paragraph of the poem, the child is requesting God to make him a little hymn. Hymn is a religious song. So the child is requesting, make me a religious song which is having kindness, which is having all your praise, which is having faith that never ends. Means anything can come to an end, but make me a hymn in which there is trust, in which there is trust in your faith, in which there is so much of kindness, politeness, in which there is praise of you, and that never comes to an end. The light, the hymn, the all the good qualities of that hymn doesn't come to an end ever, in all his wondrous way, and it may work in all and most wonderful way. It may work in such a way that the person who is hearing that hymn, or the person who is suffering from any problem, whenever hears the hymn, get motivated, feel energetic, and feel like now he have the energy to do something good and better with whatever he is having. So as I suppose I have done the explanation of the last three paragraphs of the poem, and in the previous video we have done the first two paragraphs also. So I just hope you go through the poem, just see it's all clear to you all. Till then, take care and have a good time.